Kai Yat Sai. Omelette with filling first on top, then the omelette is folded over the filling. The filling is minced meat and vegetables. We will be making Kai Yat Sai, or stuffed eggs, 2 eggs per person, tomato, onion, minced meat, you can use beef or pork, garlic, oyster sauce, sugar, soy sauce, and cooking oil. Onion, cut it in half. Cut away the core. Then start dicing. First, dice the onion part way. Then turn the onion slightly and dice it again. No need to spend too much time dicing, just make it so you can wok it. Kai Yat Sai is a more special way to make an omelette. The onion will shrink once we start wokking. Tomato, cut it. And then cut away the tomato meat. We won't need it on this dish. Then dice the tomato skin into smaller pieces. We take out the tomato meat because we don't need too much liquid. Garlic, dice it into small pieces to better the dish aroma. Add cooking oil to a pan and heat it up. Add garlic, Once the garlic starts turning brown, add onions. Don't add the tomatoes yet. Add the meat and break it up if it has clumped together. Add sugar, soy sauce, and black soy sauce. Reduce the heat. Once the meat is almost done, add tomatoes. Stir fry until the tomatoes are soft. Remember to break up any clumps of meat. Once the wok starts to dry, turn off the heat. And move the filling onto a plate. Now let's prepare the omelette. Heat up the pan. And add a little cooking oil. Use a paper towel to wipe the pan with the cooking oil. We don't need too much oil for this. Break 2 eggs per person into a bowl. Stir the eggs. Add a little water, about 1 tablespoon. This will make the omelette spread out more and prevent it from clumping up. Add a little soy sauce. Pour the eggs into the pan and spread them out. Reduce the heat when the omelette begins to firm up. We will be laying the filling. Laying it on the side is the easiest method. We will show both ways. First, lay the filling on the side of the omelette surface. Check the underside of the omelette to see if it's ready. Use 2 spatulas. Fold from one side of the omelette that doesn't have the filling over the filling on the other side. To transfer the omelette onto a plate, turn off the heat and cover the omelette with the plate while it's in the pan. Flip the pan upside down while holding the plate firmly. There. Another method to lay on the filling. As usual, reduce the heat once the omelette has firmed up. Check the underside to see if it's ready. Once the underside looks cooked and ready, place the filling in the center of the omelette. Fold each side over halfway, covering parts of the filling. To remove it from the pan, turn off the heat, Cover the omelette with a plate. Lift the pan and turn it upside down while holding firmly to the plate. Here it is, Kai Yat Sai. One version has the filling in the center, while the other has it at the side. Both are served with rice.